Hey everybody, this is Halstead and Andrew McMillan with REH CPAs. Today we want to talk about the difference between repairs and improvements. A lot of you out there own real estate, whether it's a commercial building that you own for your business or it's a rental property that you own. Sometimes you have these repairs and sometimes you have improvements, and sometimes it's hard to determine what is a repair versus what is an improvement, and it's really important because they're treated differently from a tax perspective. I got Andrew here with me today. Andrew, what can you tell us about the difference between repairs and improvements as it relates to business property?
Repairs are things that you do that bring your property back to its normal, efficient operating condition. So, and the good thing about repairs are they can be expensed, deducted on your tax return in the year that you incur them. So conversely, with like improvements, those things have to be capitalized on your tax return and then depreciated over a number of years, depending on the type of asset it is. So it's much better to avoid the capital improvement type situation so that you can fit it into the repair box so they can actually get the full deduction this year. So the biggest difference between the two is, again, repairs kind of just bring something back to its working condition to where it normally is. A good example is like you had a rental property, you had some tenants in there, the tenants moved out, you had to paint the walls, do some cleaning, do some deep cleaning, things like that. All of those are just considered like repairs and maintenance that just get the property back to its normal working condition. Conversely, again, like with an improvement, those are things that are going to make the property better than it once was previously, or restore the property from like a kind of a bathroom remodel is a good example. If you're just going in and putting in a toilet, replacing a toilet, that's a repair. But if you're going to remodel the entire bathroom, restore it to something new and better than what it was, that's going to be an improvement. Another one we see is like if it changes, if it adapts the use of it. Like if now, say you had a warehouse that you once used just to house equipment in for your business and stuff, but now you wanted to turn that warehouse into a showroom for different things that you do, like all the upfits and things you may do to that warehouse to get it ready to now be a showroom. That's going to be an improvement because it's changing the way it is being used. So a betterment, a restoration, or changing its use to something new, those are all things that start painting the picture that this is really like an improvement that's going to have to be capitalized, and you may be limited on how quickly you can deduct it on your tax return.
Awesome. So yeah, that can be a murky area, determining what's a repair versus improvement, and sometimes you need a little bit of help determining that. If you have a commercial property or a rental property and you're trying to figure out if it's going to be considered a repair or improvement, feel free to give us a call and we'll help you out with that. Thanks.